The Labrador Retriever. Few breeds capture the heart of people across the world quite like this one. With their kind eyes, ever-wagging tails, and an endless desire to please, Labradors have become symbols of friendship, devotion, and unconditional love. But what truly makes this breed so special? And how can you make sure your Labrador lives a long, healthy, and joyful life? Welcome to Dog with Care, where today we explore one of the most popular and beloved dogs on the planet. Let's start with the origins. The Labrador's story begins in Newfoundland, Canada, where these dogs worked alongside fishermen, retrieving nets and helping haul fish from icy waters. Their thick, water-resistant coats and natural swimming ability made them perfect for the job. British sailors fell in love with these hard-working dogs and brought them to England in the 1800s. There, they were refined into the breed we know today. A loyal, gentle retriever with remarkable intelligence and energy. That brings us to the personality of the Labrador. This is a breed known for its friendly, patient, and outgoing nature. Labradors are the definition of people dogs. They love family life, they love attention, and they love being involved in everything. Whether it's a walk in the park, a swim at the lake, or simply lying at your feet while you read, a Labrador just wants to be by your side. But such affection comes with a price. They absolutely hate being left alone. Prolonged isolation can lead to boredom, stress, or even destructive behavior. So, if you're thinking of getting a Labrador, make sure you have time, love, and plenty of energy to share. Now let's talk about exercise, something every Labrador desperately needs. This is a working breed, bred for endurance, and sitting around the house all day just doesn't suit them. A healthy Labrador requires at least 1 to 2 hours of activity per day. Long walks, runs, swimming sessions, or fetch games are ideal. They adore the water, it's in their DNA, but you should always dry them well afterwards, especially the ears to avoid infections. A tired Labrador is a happy Labrador. An unexercised one can become mischievous and even destructive. Speaking of health, let's look at the most common medical issues in this breed. The first is hip and elbow dysplasia, a hereditary joint condition that causes pain and stiffness. Keeping your dog at a healthy weight is key to preventing or managing it. The second is obesity, which Labradors are unfortunately prone to. Their love for food is legendary. They'll eat anything and everything if allowed. To keep your Labrador fit, stick to high-quality protein-rich food, measure portions carefully, and avoid overfeeding. Limit treats, and remember, saying no is sometimes an act of love. Labradors may also suffer from ear infections, especially those that swim frequently. Moisture trapped inside the ear canal can cause irritation or bacteria growth. So after every bath or swim, gently dry their ears with a soft towel. Another issue to be aware of is eye health. Cataracts and progressive retinal atrophy can occur as they age, so regular veterinary checkups are essential. Their coat is another important part of their care routine. It's short, but dense and double-layered, designed to repel water and keep them warm even in freezing temperatures. Because of this, Labradors shed quite a lot, particularly in spring and autumn. Brushing 2 or 3 times a week helps remove loose hair and keeps the coat shiny. During shedding seasons, daily brushing may be necessary. Baths can be given every 4 to 6 weeks using gentle, dog-safe shampoos. Avoid overbathing, as this strips away the coat's natural oils. Now let's discuss training. Labradors are among the most intelligent and eager-to-please breeds in the world. This is why they are so often chosen as guide dogs, therapy dogs, and rescue dogs. They respond brilliantly to positive reinforcement, praise, treats, and playtime. Harsh methods don't work with Labradors. They thrive on kindness and consistency. Early training and socialization are vital. Expose your puppy to different environments, people, and animals. A well-socialized Labrador grows up confident, calm, and friendly, exactly what makes them such incredible family companions. Labradors are also highly emotional dogs. They pick up on their owner's moods and often mirror them. When you're happy, they're ecstatic. When you're sad, they'll quietly curl up beside you. This emotional intelligence is part of what makes them so special. It also means they need affection and reassurance. A Labrador that feels neglected can become anxious or withdrawn. When your Labrador starts to age, his needs change. Senior Labradors may slow down and develop joint stiffness, but they still crave love and companionship. Switching to a senior diet, maintaining a gentle exercise routine, and adding supplements for joint support can help them stay active longer. Keep their weight under control, provide soft bedding, and make sure they're warm and comfortable. Their golden years can be some of the sweetest, full of quiet affection and gratitude. And of course, let's not forget regular vet visits. Annual checkups, vaccinations, deworming, and preventive care can make all the difference in keeping your Labrador healthy. It's always better to catch issues early than to treat them late. So what makes the Labrador Retriever truly special? It's not just the intelligence, the loyalty, or even the energy. It's their heart. A Labrador gives everything: love, joy, and devotion, without asking for anything in return. They'll greet you with a wagging tail, comfort you when you're down, and stand beside you through every moment of your life. The Labrador Retriever isn't just a dog. It's family. It's happiness in fur. It's that warm, loyal presence that makes a house feel like home. This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace consultation with your veterinarian. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to Dog with Care, leave a like, and ring the bell, because every breed deserves the best care, and we're here to help you give it.